got the feeling, sugar's in the sky. Hey, hey, Joe. Don't feel so blue, I'm right here with you. The skies are new, we'll chase the brighter view. The sun breaks through like you will paint the world brand new. I get my shine when I am vibing with ya.
I feel like Dunkin', can I me crumbling? Bars full of Vito, yeah, the flavors of blend.
J Hood.
I'm Candy crushing, you got me pushing. Stacking the sweets, oh yeah, the flavors jumping.
Cause I got the feeling, sugar's in the sky.
Keep blazing.
You got me melting, oven burning high.
Keep blazing. Rising like a pastry with the sweetest kind of glow. So let's keep blazing, keep blazing. Candy coated daydreams when I look in your eyes.
Clear my horizon with a golden light light. Let's go, J Hood.
Love my sweetness makes it better. Sugar in my heart will glow.
So come on, let's get together. Dance like sugar's in the sky. Sugar's in the sky.
Keep blazing.
You got me melting, oven burning high.
Rising like a pastry with the sweetest kind of glow. So let's keep blazing, keep blazing,
Keep blazing, 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 blazing.
keep blazing, keep blazing.
You got me melting, oven burning high.
Rising like a pastry with the sweetest kind of glow. So let's keep blazing, keep blazing. You got the feeling.
Yay!
Galing!
The ABJ!
Yes!
Welcome
Woo!
to Ito Ang Tahanan. Upo ho tayo.
morning!
Yes.
Ayan.
BTS.
Yay! Let's sit down,
ABJ.
guys.
Ayan, you just witnessed ABJ Brothers, Aljo and Jay Han. Geralba. Okay, welcome to Itong Tahanan. At kasama din natin ang kanilang bunsong kapatid na si 3D Geralba via Zoom.
Ayan,
Ladies
good
and
morning,
gentlemen. Good
3D.
morning.
Hi,
How are
3D.
you?
Good
Ay, ang
morning.
gwapo.
Hello po. Thank you for having me.
Ay, ang gwapo.
Gwapo
Ba-
din,
bakit ka
3D?
nandyan sa Dubai?
Oo nga.
3D, wala ka dito.
Oo, bakit ka nasa Dubai, 3D?
Gusto ka dyan?
3D, narinig mo kami?
Can you...
Okay naman po.
Anyway,
Ah.
eto, tanongin nga natin sila.
Yes.
Ano nga bang story behind the song you just performed a while ago?
Ano bang title nun?
Oo.
Ang title po ng song na ginawa po namin is Keep Blazing.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Ah,
Keep blazing.
in terms of societal context po kasi, usually napoportray po siya in a negative way. So, because yung word na glazing po usually means over complimenting someone.
Ah, okay.
Yes po. Ang gusto po namin iparating po kasi is to put it in a more positive context. And we wanted to make a song po na everyone can vibe to and upbeat po.
Diba?
We just wanted to make a song po that was very ano po, just you can dance to while like let's say you're driving, you know.
Yeah.
Keep blazing.
Paano kayo nagsimula bilang performers?
Nagsimula po siya way back po na naririnig ko lang po kumanta yung mga Little Brothers ko po. And mahilig po talaga yung parents po namin sa music. Tapos po, nakikita ko po, nagsasalita po sila sa camera. And I was just living a very ordinary life at that time po. And parang as a elder brother, na-feel ko po na I want to learn editing for them. I want to learn how to play music for them. Para po makakagawa po kami ng mga videos for memory purposes po.
Ayan pala sila, oh. Ganyan ang process dati, oh.
Sino to?
Sino yan?
Ako po, during that time po, nag-aaral pa lang po ako magpiano. Si 3D po yung kumakanta.
3D.
Ay, cute.
Sa Dubai kayo pinanganak?
cute nyo, ah.
Kayong tatlo?
Yung three brothers ko po, may bunso pa po kami kapatid.
Meron pa.
Ay, Elijah.
Ay,
Hello.
Naging pamilya pala talaga sila.
oo.
Nagsimula po kami mag-start aral ng music sa Dubai po. Pero yung tatlong kapatid ko po, sa Dubai sila pinanganak. Ako lang po yung sa Pinas.
So, ikaw yung kuya, right?
Yes
Ikaw
po.
pinakakuya.
I'm the
Ito
eldest po.
pangalawa. Si 3D pangatlo, and then you have the bunso. Ayun. So, ano-ano naman ang mga roles niyo sa group? Like si kuya, anong role mo?
Hello po again, once again, I'm Aljo po. I'm the
Aljo.
lead vocalist. I also help in co-producing. I'm the lead guitarist po.
Hello po, I'm Jaehoon. I am the executive producer of our group and I'm the lead choreographer.
Oh, wow. Si 3D naman. 3D,
Hello.
Hello po, I am 3D. I am the beat maker, the co-producer, and the main drummer of the group. I am also the rapper.
Talagang lahat sila, no? Tayo.
Very rich talaga,
May
no?
kanya silang roles talaga. What
Galing.
else can you ask for?
Ayan. Ako, ang i-ask ko, paano nyo nakikita ang inyong identity bilang kayo ay nagsimula ng very young age?
Right?
At a very young age po, ayun po, gusto po naming mangarap ng mataas po.
Like,
Yes,
totoo
of
naman,
course,
di ba? Lahat tayo ganun.
So we wanted to be very different po. And lahat po sinasama po namin siya sa pagpapanata po and panalangin.
Nice.
Well, I mainly found my identity like mainly from my kuya. So he taught me everything I knew and we started working together and our chemistry is so good.
So, si 3D. 3D.
Hello, Tweety.
Oh, kasi may delay. Kasi nga nasa Dubai siya. Well, this is the next question. Ano naman ang mga naging challenging sa pag-abot ng pangarap ninyo?
Ako na lang po muna siguro.
Yes,
po sa-
please. Oo.
Okay, so I think po yung pinaka-main challenges po. Nung nag-start out pa lang po kasi kami magkakapatid, hindi po siya initially na lahat kami music po agad gusto. So at the beginning medyo naging mahirap po siya. Naging inconsistent po kami. Nagawa lang po kasi kami ng covers at the time. Pero po ayun po yung trip ko po noon gaming, tapos si Jeho naman vlogging. Si mainly po si 3D nagpo-focus sa music po noon. And ayun po, pero during those phase po, doon po namin natutunan yung mga skills namin sa pag-edit po. Kaya po nung nag-start na po kami gumawa ng song, naging very powerful po yung chemistry po namin.
Tatlo.
Yes po.
Oo.
Paano naman kayo sinuportahan ng mga inyong magulang syempre sa career nyo?
First of all, I would like to shout out our parents, of course. Hi Mami, hi Papa.
Hello.
Nasa TV na kami.
Mommy, Daddy,
Hello,
nasa
hello
TV na
there.
sila.
Ang galing ng mga anak nyo.
Nandito sila.
Magagaling, magagaling.
Tahanan.
Mom and dad po namin, both po sila talented sa music. Yung mom po namin yung singer, tapos po yung dad po namin yung magaling po mag-guitar.
Okay,
Apo.
si Gwen.
So, naging very big yung influence nila sa amin. Pero at the same time po, napaka-important po nila pareho kasi nagbabalance out po sila sa amin. Yung ideas po namin. Like, sasabihin po ng mom namin, sige, tuloy nyo lang yung dream nyo. Tapos po, lagi pong sasabihin ng dad namin, pero wag nyo kakalimutan magtapos ng pag-aaral, mag-focus pa rin kayo sa pag-aaral. And yun po yung napaka-important na life lesson na natutunan po namin sa parents namin.
Ayun.
Ano ang naging payo ng parents nyo nang pinasok nyo itong entertainment industry?
Ang pinaka-pinayo po nila sa amin is just be yourself po and magpakatotoo lang po. Enjoy every performance and every opportunity, give your best.
At least supportado kayo ng parents niyo.
Yes po.
Yun ang importante, di
Yes po,
ba?
yun eh.
May time din, syempre, hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Paano kayo pinagbabati ng mga, para na kayo, ng parents nyo?
Kayo magkakapatid.
Misunderstanding.
Hindi may iwasan.
Minimake sure po namin na lagi pong smooth yung communication. Pagka may misunderstandings po, sasabihin po agad. And hindi po kami nagtatanim ng kahit anong sama ng loob sa isa't isa.
How about si 3D dahil siya yung bunso sa inyong tatlo? Paano ka nakakasunod sa mga kuya mo? Pag minsan, syempre, meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan. Kailangan ba
Per
yata mas trust?
disagreements po, how we worked on it is communication is always key. So never forget to, if you have a problem, you have to tell the people, you have to communicate it so that they know what they can work on and what they can fix. Especially yourself. If the people that have a problem with you communicate, then you will know what to improve.
Palagi natin pinag-uusapan yan. Communication is the best.
Importante yan eh.
Especially sa family.
Kasama nyo.
Eto pa, no? Balita namin, may bago
Ayan,
kayong
oo nga
single. Maliban sa Glazen,
Oo,
di ba? Nakinanta
Glazen
ninyo kanina.
kanina. Yes.
Ano pa bang
Ano yun?
ibang mga
Songs, yeah.
singles or...
Pwede bang sample naman? Sakali.
Yes
ano,
po.
ano title kaya?
Anong title yun?
Coming through
Coming
po.
Through.
Coming
Yes.
Through.
Baka pwede na
Okay.
kayo mag-sample.
Konting sample naman dyan.
Ladies and gentlemen, ABJ Brothers.
You got things to say, don't even know me. You're out the busy painting pictures of the old me. Got me going easy now, now. Power in this house is getting super loud, loud. Came to play, now the trap is gonna make you sweat. On the stage, coming true, now get out the way. Coming true, coming true, coming true, coming true. Coming true, y'all know we coming true, coming true, coming true. When the news, y'all know we coming true, yeah.
Alright! Yay! Sample lang yan.
Sample lang yun.
Amazing!
Ay, bibitin muna natin sila,
Dito
di
daw
ba?
sample, di ba? Galing
Oo.
naman.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Parang ang, ano, di ba, ang hirap kasi doon ng sing and dance, no?
Siyempre mga bata pa sila, kaya hindi sila hinihingal.
Hindi na mapagod.
Pag
Pag
tayo...
tayo, pag si Kuya Efren yun,
Ah, wala na. Ayan, eto na nga. Oh, ano ang mensahe sa parents
Ayan.
ninyo? Siyempre, at message ninyo sa isa't isa.
Mami, Papa, since ako po yung panganay, gusto ko muna humingi na sorry kung minsan naging matigas po yung ulo ko, naging pasaway ako. Thank you po for always keeping me in the right path, in the right track. Sobrang thankful po ako sa support nyo. Minsan siguro, I fail to see that and tama kayo na mas maintindihan ko po kayo pagka naging magulang ako. Sobrang happy and grateful po ako sa inyo. I love you so much. Mami and Papa. And Buddy and Jayun and JD. Jayun and JD, I'm glad that at that very young age, mas na-adapt niyo yung mga skill na tinuro ko sa inyo. Keep learning, keep enjoying, keep having fun, and focus lang sa dream and goals.
parang ang bait na kuya ni ano, no? Ano, no?
O, Jayon, ikaw naman, Jayon. Kala ko mamaya ka na, Jayon.
So, my message to my parents, Mommy, Papa, thank you so much for everything that you have done for us. And thank you for raising us. And 3D, Aljo, thank you. Kuya, thank you so much for teaching me everything I know, especially in the producing side of music, like how to use audio softwares. And yeah, that's my message. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
First of all, I'd like to thank our mother and father for always feeding our dreams, letting us follow our dreams. We're really grateful and we appreciate it so much. We will never forget it. And to Kuya Aljo and to Kuya Jehon, thank you guys so much for always bringing me forward, including me in this journey. And I'm really proud of you guys for what you've achieved.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your message, guys, to your fans at sa mga kabataan, lalo na nangangarap na maabot ang ninanais nila.
To our future fans, maraming salamat sa inyo. And to those who want to pursue music, kung kaya namin, kaya nyo din. So just start and yun lang, it's a leap of faith. So just do what you want to do, just be you.
To those who dream of, who have big dreams, keep going and keep your eyes on that goal, that one goal. Because if you continue and continue, it's gonna happen. Manifest. I love you guys. You got this.
I love you too.
Never stop following your dreams. Continue and continue, no matter what it takes. Keep following that dream, no matter how long and how much pain and struggle you go through. It will happen, and as long as you love it, that's all you need.
Yes. All right.
Can I say one more?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, Keep Glazing by AVJ
Yeah.
and Coming Through by AVJ is now out on all streaming platforms including Spotify, YouTube, and you can also
Spotify.
purchase it on iTunes.
Ayan! Thank you so much, ABJ, for sharing with us your
you po.
story. Ayan. More
you po.
power to your
More power,
career!
guys.
Thank you so
Palakpakan
much
natin
po.
ulit ang
Power.
ABJ!
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Ano?
yes!
Darating din yung time nyo, yan.
Oo.
Keep up the good
Isa na
work.
namang
So much
inspirasyon ng ating natunghayan, hindi lang para sa mga kabataang nangangarap, pati na rin sa mga magulang na patuloy na gumagabay sa kanilang mga anak upang tahakin ang tamang daan para makamit ang kanilang pangarap.
Yes, yes, yes. Dahil pangarap ng mga anak ay naging pangarap din ng magulang. Kaya di malilimutan ang payo at pagmamalasakit ng mga magulang.
At sa pag-abot ng pangarap, malaki ang parte ng pamilya para makamit ito. Magkapareho man kayo ng interest o hindi dapat nawawala ang suporta sa isa't isa.